Here is a Kia Seltos. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. Let's get started with the rear left door, and right over there is a small slot where you can put your car key in. You can also use your house key. All you have to do is just get it right in that slot and then twist it right to activate the feature. And now the feature is activated. I can still open the door from outside like normal. However, when I get on the inside, I cannot open it because the feature is activated. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide over there and open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead and now open this door from outside. Put the key back in there and then twist it left to deactivate it, and the feature is now deactivated. I can open it from outside and I can also open it from inside, and that is good. Repeat the process for the right side door. Same thing, except that over here I have to twist it left to activate the feature. Just follow the arrow over there. Just put the key in there, twist it left, and the feature is activated. I can open it from outside. However, on the inside I will not be able to open, and I cannot. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to slide over there and open that door. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately on both the doors. You don't want the child to also just slide and open the door and get out. So let's go ahead, open the right side door now from the outside. Put the key back in there and then twist your right to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside, and on the inside also I should be able to open, and yes I can, and that is good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.